Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to enable app password in Google Workspace. An app password lets you access your Google Workspace mailbox through third-party apps or softwares. This is an essential step if you want to backup your G Suite or Google Workspace data for your organization. But before starting the process, we must enable two-step verification for the organization. Without two-step verification, we can't generate app password. So let's start. Open your browser and go to admin.google.com. Sign in with your admin credentials. From the admin console dashboard, go to security, authentication, then two-step verification. Choose your organization domain which two-step verification you want to enable. In the right side panel, you can see that two-step verification is not enabled. Click on the checkbox, allow users to turn on two-step verification, enforcement on, and click on save. You can also disable it after taking a backup. So when you have successfully enabled the two-step verification, then open a new tab and search Gmail app password. Go to this link and re-verify it. Now type a name. Click on create. Here you can see the app password has been generated successfully. Copy it and save it. That's it in this video. If you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.